Good morning. I'm just leaving the Gilbert court, and I saw some people there handling their DUIs alone. Obviously, my client was smart enough not to do that. And so, what you have to remember in Arizona, there are three types of DUIs. There's a regular DUI, an extreme DUI, and then a super extreme DUI. And then, of course, you have a felony DUI, depending on how many DUIs you've had within 7 years and whether or not there's kids in the car. But for most cases, it's going to be a first-time misdemeanor DUI categorized as regular, extreme, super extreme. All right, so why you should hire a lawyer to fight your Gilbert DUI case? It's a valid question. And sometimes I'll have somebody that they'll call my office and they're saying, I'm not sure if I can, that if I'm going to hire a lawyer, or maybe they can't afford it, which happens. I get it if you can't afford it. But what I tell potential clients when they're calling is, look, if you're thinking about a lawyer service just in terms of one way, you're missing the point. A lawyer, or at least a good lawyer, is going to provide three benefits to you if you've been arrested for a DUI. The first benefit is the obvious benefit. We're going to provide legal representation. Okay, so we're going to investigate the case, interview the police officers, look at the toxicology records, including the maintenance logs, calibration records, interview the person who analyzed the blood, get the officer videos to find out if what they're alleging matches what's in the police report, with the same of what's in the video. And a good DUI lawyer is trained and experienced in the same DUI detection that the Gilbert police officers have. Okay, so the first benefit is the obvious benefit. From a legal standpoint, we're able to look for loopholes in your case to see how we can get it dismissed or reduced. All right. The second benefit is going to be from the MVD perspective, the Motor Vehicle Division. For most DUIs, on a first-time DUI, if arrested, you could be looking at 90 days of a suspended license, but a lawyer can request a hearing for you to challenge that license suspension. And it's even more important to have a lawyer to challenge the MVD or to assist with the MVD process if you're being accused of refusing the blood draw or the breath analysis and you're looking at a 12-month license suspension. If that's you and you did what we call a refusal and you're looking at a 12-month license suspension, you have to have a lawyer challenge that suspension to avoid 12 months of your license being suspended. Okay, so the second benefit is a license suspension. First benefit is the legal benefit, the legal analysis, the legal fight, filing any motions, taking the case to trial, etc. But the third benefit that people have when they hire a lawyer for their DUI case is the amount of questions that they're going to have. Okay, so if I look at in any given DUI case, and we keep track of the communication log, multiple emails, phone calls, in-office meetings to go over the process, their concerns, explain what they need to do, when they have to do it. Without a lawyer, folks, you're going to be lost, okay? What happens when we're lost in today's day and age? You get on Google. What happens when you get on Google? You get so much information. What's right? What's not right? I don't know. And then you start making poor decisions, okay? So there's no reason to stress about it. There's no reason to get on Google. There's no reason to make this thing any worse than it has to be if you hire a lawyer, okay? So for what we charge, it's a very reasonable fee. I strongly encourage you to speak with us to find out what we can do for you, okay? And then moving forward with our services, we make it easy, we make it affordable, and we're going to add those three benefits: the legal perspective, the Motor Vehicle Division perspective, and assistance, and then third, answering all of your questions, all of your phone calls, all of your emails, having however many in-office visits that you want to have. So we're here to help you. It's well worth the money if you've been charged with not only a DUI in Gilbert, but a DUI in any other city within the Arizona area, or within Arizona. If that's you and you would like our assistance or free information about a DUI, 602-980-1987.